Hey guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today I'm going to show you how to use grouping elements in order to have an easier way or an easier workflow while mixing. We arrange the tracks, and as you can see there are similar tracks, and whenever I want to mute them or solo them, I have to go one by one. In order to avoid this, we can group the tracks we want. In order to do that, select the tracks you want to group, hit Command plus G. Here you can name the group. Let's name it Accordion Solo. Here in the Global section, you can choose what parameters you want to control in this group. So right now, I want to control just the volume and the mute parameters. Hit OK. Let's listen. You can see that I can control the mute and the volume of the three tracks. Okay, good. Now let's say you don't want to use these tracks as a group, or you want to change the volume of one track. You can hit this arrow here, and here you can see all the groups you have created so far. So we have a group for haze and the accordion solo. So if you deselect the group you want, it won't operate as a group anymore. In case you're done with the changes, you can select the group again, and the group will be active again.